Good morning, grade 3 students, and welcome to our English video lesson. Today, we will start the lesson Project Part 1 from Module 6. Our lesson today is very exciting. Let's take a look at what we will be doing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read the text to identify the main idea, read the text to answer 6 detailed questions, and then you will write 2 sentences using correct structure. For our lesson today, you will need to open your books to those pages. Student's book page 81 and workbook page 78. Go get your books quickly and make sure to open the correct pages. Please make sure to follow the exercises in this video and write the answers in your books. Before we get started, I want you to put on your thinking caps and tell me, what do these pictures mean to you? Look closely. There's a sun and clouds in the first picture, some leaves flying on orange trees in the second picture, and what's that on the third picture? Some flowers, a butterfly, and in the fourth picture we have, yes, a snowman. So what do those pictures mean exactly? Yes, our lesson is about seasons. Very good, everyone. So, before we start our lesson, let me test you. Do you know what each weather is called in every season? I'll give you a hint. Here's a set of words. I want you to match the weather in each picture with the correct word. You have snowy, rainy, sunny, and cloudy. Pause the video and come back when you are ready to check your answers. So, are you ready to check your answers? In the first picture, we see the sun shining bright. So the weather is sunny. In the second picture, you can see snow falling, right? So the weather is, yes, it's snowy. Let's look at number 3. We have some clouds covering the sun, no? So we call it, yes, cloudy. And the last one we have rain falling. So it is rainy. Good job, everyone. I knew you could do it. Now, let's get started with our lesson. Can you tell me, what do you see in this picture? A boy with his family or friends, okay. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing in the snow. So, which season is it in the picture? Excellent, it's winter. So, what do you think the text is about? Is it about months and seasons? Is it about favorite season? Or is it about everyday activities? We shall find out later. Let's take a look at the question at the top of the page. What does Yang do in winter? That's easy. All we have to do is read and answer. Are you ready? Let's go.
Module 6. Project 1. What does Yang do in winter? Read and answer.
My name's Yang. I live in Beijing, China. It's January, and it's winter here. In winter, it's very cold. I like playing with my friends in the snow. It's great fun. My favourite season is winter.
Did you find the answer? It's right there in the third line. He says, I like playing with my friends in the snow. So to answer the question about Yang, we would say he likes playing with his friends in the snow. Well done, everyone. Going back to our predictions from the beginning of the lesson, when I asked you, what do you think the text is about? Which is the correct answer now? Yes, it's about favorite season. Good job, everyone. Now, I need you to read the text again so you can answer the questions in exercise 2. Let's take a look at them first. Number 1, what's the boy's name? His name, that's very easy. Number 2, where does he live? Number 3, what month and season is it there now? Number 4, how is the weather there now? Number 5, what does he do in that season? Number 6, what's his favorite season? Now I helped you here to find the key words in each question. I need you to go back to read the text on your own to find the answers. Pause the video now, take your time to read the text and come back when you are ready to check your answers. Let's look at question 1. What's the boy's name? You can find the answer in the first line. It's important to underline the answers in your book. His name is Yan. Question 2. Where does he live? Well done. The answer is also in line number 1. He lives in Beijing, China. Question 3. What month and season is it there now? You have to look for names of months and seasons. That's easy. You will find the answer in line number 2. It's January and it's winter. Question 4. How is the weather there now? You need to be looking for words like hot, cold, windy, rainy. The answer is in line 3. It's very cold. Question 5. What does he do in that season? Here you have to search for activities, actions that a person does. So you look for verbs. The answer is in line number 3 and 4. He plays with his friends in the snow. Question 6. What's his favorite season? It's the easiest one. You will find it at the end of the text. His favorite season is winter. Take a look at all the answers one more time. Make sure to write all the answers in your book. You can pause the video until you are done. I will give you a quick quiz to see if you still remember the words from the beginning of our lesson. Look at this picture, read the sentence, and choose the correct answer. My favorite season is summer, autumn, spring. My favorite season is autumn. Good job, everyone. In summer, the weather is... Look at the picture. Is it windy? No. Is it cold? No. Is it hot? Yes, in summer the weather is hot. Here's another one. In which season we can make a snowman? Is it in winter, in spring, or in autumn? I knew you can do it. It's in winter. In winter we can make a snowman. There are 4 in a year. Is it 4 months, 4 seasons, or 4 weathers? Let's try. There are 4 months in a year. No, that's not correct. There are 4 weathers in a year. That's also not correct. Let's take a look at the picture. There are 4 seasons in a year. That's the correct answer. Last one. In spring, we see colorful. What's that in the picture? Birds, flowers, or leaves? Exactly, we see colorful flowers. Wow, I'm really proud of you, everyone. You have a strong memory. We are almost done. Are you ready to get creative? I want you to write 2 or more sentences in your notebook about your favorite season. Take a look at my 2 sentences. I wrote, my favorite season is spring. I like to go sailing with my family. You can use my sentences as an example and write something new. I'm sure you can do it. Here's a list of words that can help you. You can always go back to your book for more words. Remember, you have to start all your sentences with capital letters, check your spelling, and always use full stops at the end of every sentence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, just keep trying. We finally reached the end of our lesson. Let's go back quickly to check our objectives for today. We read a text to identify the main idea. We read the text and answered 6 detailed questions. And finally, we wrote 2 sentences using correct structure. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.